Can you add music to your WhatsApp status? Hey everyone, welcome back to In today's video, we are going to look if you are able to add a status on your WhatsApp, music on your WhatsApp status. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button down below and subscribe to the channel. As you guys know, you can only add photos and videos on your WhatsApp status, but other than that you cannot specifically add music. But if there is music on your video, that would also be added on your WhatsApp. So what many people try to do is go to Instagram and then create a story for them. So just swipe here and then create a story like so, and they typically add music from here. So for example, let me just browse through any music, and what they try to do is tap on done and try to save it to their gallery. But what Instagram says is that you could download the video, but you cannot download the music. So music will be removed whenever you try to download it off of Instagram, because Instagram music will only work on Instagram and not on any other platforms. So if you try to do this, then you will just end up posting the video only without the music. So as you guys can see here, if I try to play this, it won't play the music because Instagram does not let me download the music. So it's only the video. What you can do is add music using a different website or editing app like CapCut, and then upload the video. That would be the best way to add music to your WhatsApp status. I hope you found the tutorial helpful. I'll catch you guys on the next one.